I'm Tara Russell. I'm with the University of Illinois Extension, and today we are going to be making a crunchy chickpea snack. It's great for on the go.
Ingredients: 1 can, 14 to 15 ounces chickpeas, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1/4 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon cumin, 1/8 teaspoon black pepper. Preheat oven to 400 degrees. Wash hands with soap and water. Drain and rinse canned chickpeas. Pat dry with a clean towel. Add to small bowl. Add vegetable oil, salt, cumin, and black pepper to bowl with chickpeas. Mix until oil and spices are evenly distributed. Spray non-stick cooking spray onto a baking pan or cookie sheet. Spread out chickpeas onto pan. Bake for 40 to 50 minutes until chickpeas are lightly toasted.
Alright, and here we have our crunchy chickpea snacks. Enjoy!
Eat, Move, Save.